The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Wiggins, or 18 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wiggins, Orchard, Goodrich, Jackson Reservoir, Hoyt, Riverside Reservoir, Hoyt B-Dump, and Masters. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. The National Weather Service in Denver has